What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE B, and I'm back with another video. Oh my god, I feel like I haven't said that in forever. What is up, you guys? I haven't dropped a video in almost 2 weeks. Your girl has been in the gym. I've been working on my fitness goal. Don't worry, I'm back. In today's video, you guys already know I'm gonna be working with my favorite hair company, Nadula. They sent me this bomb. Oh my god, copper brown, reddish brown, I don't know, 28-inch water wave transparent lace. Yo, where's the lace? Oh, couldn't find it, right? Yeah, nah, but I ain't gonna hold y'all. I feel like Nadula is the only company that has the thinnest lace. Like, I swear, I feel like I've never had no other company that had lace as thin as Nadula. Like, bro, this is growing straight out my scalp. Like, y'all know this. Like, I'm in love with this hair, y'all. I'm never taking this wig off. This is gonna be a wig you guys see me with countless times. I'm not selling this wig. Like, this wig is mine. Don't ask about it, because this is my wig. 28-inch water wave, baby. Oh my god, this hair just makes me feel so freaking grown, even though I am grown. Stop playing with me. But nah, like this, the lace and everything is just hitting. I feel like I messed up on the baby hairs, but I don't care, because the lace made up for it. The lace made up for it. Oh, another thing, I don't know if you guys saw in this video, I had on this bomb robe. This robe is from Nadula. Y'all, this robe is about to be honestly my throwing robe anywhere I go. The store, the backyard, downstairs, the laundry room, to the shower. I'm throwing on this robe all the time. This robe is so comfortable, soft, silky, all that good stuff. And you got the name on the back and make me feel official. I'm a part of the Nadula team. Nah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the hair details will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it, let's go. I feel like I've been saying that forever. Let's get to 60K. But yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.